This is the Nikon ZR using the 70-28 lens. I stress test everything using R3D and 32-bit. Then so I'm in the Nikon event now in Penang, so I can try now.
The theme of today is using Wusu, so you can use the Nikon ZR to film the performance, test the video capability, and they have 3 units for you to test. They also have the booth for you to grade if you want.
We're now in the Nikon ZR Penang event. Already set the ISO 800, the low sensitivity. Test, maybe later I can grade. Now we are in the Nikon event in Penang. So I'm with
Kinsia.
He's the creator of Nikon in Malaysia. This is my first time holding Nikon ZR. From my experience using Nikon ZR, what's the 3 things you like most?
3 things I like most, of course, is the Nikon red capability, and then the 32-bit audio, and the screen is inch first in the market.
It's very damn big. From here you can see.
I also tested the slow motion capability. This is the 120 frames per second. Then of course I need to manually change the frame rate in post to get this slow motion effect. Then I also test the 60 frames per second 6K.
So this lens is 70-28 2.8. Love the 4-inch screens. Very suitable for vlog, and then the screen is very good. And apparently the battery is very good, so it's very suitable.
The good thing about this Nikon event is I can get to try other Nikon lenses as well, especially the S series, all those f1.2 very big giant lens to get this kind of bokeh. Then I can continue using different focal length to test the performance. You can use DaVinci Resolve to directly open and grade the footage like the RAID RAW setting. If you're already in the RAID ecosystem, this would be a very good choice. And the price is also very interesting in Malaysia. This is the ZA and Z9. I will get to test other lenses as well. So should I buy this Nikon ZR?